Hey, Dr. Bhupendra, how are you, sir?
Hi Prashant, I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you, sir.
Enjoying the rainy weather?
Oh, it's beautiful, right? Yeah, amazing.
By
Yeah.
the way, you should thank me.
Why?
I just saved you from a mosquito bite. So this mosquito would have created big problems for you.
Really?
Yes.
Kuch bhi. 3 mosquito, it creates problems.
Yes, it actually makes things so tough that you can't even walk.
What are you saying?
Yes. You want to understand more?
Absolutely.
Come with me. I'm going
Really?
to a place, I'll show
Yeah,
you
let's
something.
go.
Come.
Where are we headed to, doc?
So Prashant, we are going to a hospital which gives care for lymphedema patients.
Okay.
So lymphedema is a disease caused by lymphatic filariasis. It's a parasite, Wuertzeria bancrofti, spread by a mosquito.
Interesting. Doc, can you help us understand or expand what lymphatic filaria is actually? How does one get infected? How bad does it get if somebody gets impacted?
So this disease filaria is spread by a parasite which enters our body
Right.
and through mosquitoes bite.
Uh-huh.
And then it creates, adult worms in the lymphatic channels.
Okay.
And it produces babies, microfilaria.
Right.
So it has like acute symptoms and chronic symptoms.
Uh-huh. How come we've not still heard at large about this disease? Is this something that is hidden? Can somebody come to know of it?
This is a neglected tropical disease.
Uh-huh.
And neglected because it happens mostly in the population which is neglected.
Okay.
It can be socioeconomically weak and poor population. So that is one. Second, it's a tropical disease. So
Okay.
it doesn't happen across all the countries. So people like living in the tropics are mostly affected. So what happens, this disease does not show symptoms immediately like malaria or dengue.
Wow.
It actually gives symptoms after a long number of like years.
So what I understand from you that LF is asymptomatic, which is why even if somebody has, he probably does not know that he has LF. Is my understanding correct?
Absolutely right, Prashant. So most of the time, people who are harboring the microfilaria and the adult worms, they don't know that they are harboring it. But mosquito bites and they are spreading to other people. So that is a very big problem for this disease.
And how many years does it take before probably the symptoms may manifest itself in terms of probably something that will make me realize I have this disease?
So usually what happens, the time till the time the adult worm is alive. So it's 5 to 15 years.
Okay.
Till that time the movement happens and there is no blockage anywhere. So you don't get to know actually you have the disease.
If I take this to the other extreme, somebody who had this, and then if I manifest it 10-15 years down the road, what would it look like in somebody visually as well?
So chronic is really bad. I would say that assuming it can happen anywhere, lower limb, upper limb, breast, scrotal area, assuming it happens in the limbs. So the limbs, the blockage will essentially open the, the lymphatic channel and the fluid will start going outside and the limb will start increasing in size. And it increases to a level where it becomes very similar to the elephant feet. And that is why it is known as Hathi Pav or Field
Wow.
Pav. That is the danger.
So Hathi Pav actually is nothing but LF.
Exactly.
Wow,
That
interesting.
Yeah.
Also, what I am really surprised, kind of unbelievable, is the fact that I today talking to you sitting over here may have an LF inside me, but I am not completely aware of it because the symptoms have not shown. And hence, the question, doc, is this something that is preventable, number one? And number two, suppose I have this symptom within me or this disease within me, what can I do about it?
So this is a very good question, Prashant. Basically, this disease is meant for elimination. So
Okay.
WHO says that this disease can be eliminated and there is a strategy behind that. As part of strategy, what happens, if you remember polio,
Of course.
so in polio we used to give some drops, there's a preventive vaccination.
Vaccines, yes.
Similarly, in this case, there are drugs which are given.
Okay.
And these drugs in the campaign mode, we call them for mass drug administration.
Okay.
So the drugs are given to everybody,
Okay.
irrespective of whether I am having symptom or not.
Okay.
So if everybody consumes the drug and it is taken by all ages except for pregnant mother and children less than 2 years, then what happens? The microfilaria is killed. So mosquito, even if she bites, she will not spread to anybody else. So that is the whole plan.
Interesting.
So Prashant, let me introduce you to the doctor who looks after this facility. So Prashant, this is a center where lymphedema patients are managed. Let me introduce you to Dr. Arunachalam who manages this center.
Hi, doctor. How are you?
So Dr. Arunachalam, can we see some patients of lymphedema?
Yes, sure. You can go inside.
Sure, thank you. Yes.
This is our patient who is suffering from lymphatic failure since 20 years. So we are admitting for 14 days of treatment. Today is the 7th day of treatment. So she is feeling better now.
जी कितने दिन से आपको परेशानी है?
40 साल से
40 साल से है। कहाँ से रहने वाले हो?
फतवा बोलता है प्लेटफॉर्म।
अच्छा, यहीं से हो, ठीक है। तो ये जो परेशानी है, इससे घर में काम करने में दिक्कत तो आती होगी? क्या क्या दिक्कतें आती थी आपको?
वो है दर्द,
दर्द उठता
दर्द।
था,
हाँ बुखार,
बुखार भी आता था और
वो है दर्द बुखार।
दर्द बुखार था। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे दवा चलेगी आपकी,
Yes,
वहाँ पे ना
yes,
कुछ मैनेज करोगे आप लोग, है ना, कोशिश करोगे। ठीक है। डू वी हैव मोर पेशेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
कैन
One
वी
more
सी
patient.
मोर? ओके।
This is our next patient. He is suffering from lymphatic failure since 67 years.
चाइल्डहुड सर
Yes.
Childhood? बाप।
मेरे माता पिता को भी था सर। तो पहले थोड़ा जड़ा बुखार ज्यादा था,
हाँ।
होते 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 बढ़ते गया। होम्योपैथी, आयुर्वेदिक, यहाँ तक कि सर एलोपैथी भी हम बाद में कराए जब हाथी पाँव बन गया।
हाँ,
बनारस हम गए सर BHU
हाँ।
ट्रामा सेंटर में।
हाँ,
वहाँ एक मशीन से सर इसका मसाज होता था, अमेरिका से मशीन आया।
हाँ। आपको करीबन 70 साल से ये है, क्या क्या दिक्कतें आई हैं आपको?
पहले सर होता था नस लाल हो गया, बुखार आ गया, कुछ फूला, कुछ इंतजाम किए, होम्योपैथी विधि अतिशय सूप माने जो देहाती होता है
हाँ,
तो पचक जा रहा था। ये सब मैंने क्या कहे, लोग पैंट पहन पाते थे लोग।
तो यहाँ के कैसा लग रहा है? काफी बदलाव आया?
एकदम सर बहुत बदलाव है। हमको तो अपने आप लग रहा है कि ये सब कुछ नजर नहीं आता था हमको। हम
हाँ।
एकदम सब छपा हुआ था।
हाँ,
इतना न चप्पल हटे, न जूता हटे, न मेरा फुल पैंट, सब बेकार हटबे नहीं करता था। लेकिन सब चीज तो सब हो गया। फुल पैंटो पहनते हैं, जो चप्पल मेरा है वो तो ढीला है, नया चप्पल कर देंगे। बहुत मैंने संतुष्टि मैंने इतनी है, और हम तो प्रसन्न है, मेरी पत्नी उससे भी ज्यादा।
अरे क्या बात है।
ये जो मच्छर से फैलता
हाँ मच्छर।
है, हाँ ये ध्यान।
हम तो पढ़े सर कि पहले तो इंडिया का तो सुनते थे तो 35 देश में का तो फैल गया, एक मैगजीन में निकला है
यस
हाँ।
यस।
वो अखबार के साथ साथ उसमें पढ़े कि 35 देश में फैला हुआ है।
Yes.
फिर भी कोई बीमारी है।
शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए।
धन्यवाद।
शुक्रिया।
ठीक है,
थैंक
आप
यू।
जल्दी से ही
यहाँ
हो।
आने के
थैंक यू
बाद-
डॉक्टर।
थैंक यू डॉक्टर साहब, थैंक यू सो मच।
It's completely eye-opener, mind-blowing. Somewhere it's very scary as well, right? When you see these images, we keep saying that seeing is believing, right? When I saw this, I understood the gravity of what we can do. And I think, Doc, ultimately it all comes down to prevention, right? What else can you talk or tell us about prevention?
So, you know, as WHO strategy, we all know the mass drug administration is supposed to happen. Now, there are two components of any campaign. One is that you can take the medicines to the person, but the second component is consuming the medicines
True.
on time. So, the struggle what we have currently in India is that
Mm-hmm.
government has done a lot of efforts.
Okay.
Now, in all these endemic areas, ASHA sisters, ANMs, others are taking the medicines to the families
Okay.
to consume,
Okay.
like they should consume. But the problem is people, because they don't have knowledge,
Right.
they have not seen the patients
True.
and they feel we are healthy, why should we?
Right.
If we can raise the voice
Right.
and everybody consumes, we can eliminate the disease.
Wow. So prevention is cure in this case, right?
Yes, yes. You can't treat. We are only managing cases here.
Right.
Treatment is not possible, therefore the only thing is prevention. And the drugs which are available, if people consume every time till the elimination happens in that geography, we will succeed.
Doc, on my channel, I talk a lot about nutrition for prevention. For patients like these, are there any nutritional do's and don'ts that they should keep in mind?
So, in terms of nutrition, I would say, because you saw the swelling happens and a lot of fluid is there, we recommend that the salt intake has to be modified. So,
fair.
that is the one thing. Beyond that, it depends upon the situation of the patient. It's all symptomatic.
Right,
Beyond that, we don't have much options on this.
right. Anything else people can do to prevent this?
Oh, beyond medication, we have more things to do, like
Okay.
vector control.
Uh-huh.
The
What is
whole
that?
population of mosquito, if we can use bed nets, if we can use the proper repellents, if we can actually have these, drains which don't have larva, the insecticides are sprayed in the, field area where the paddy is there. If Gambusia fish is put on that, it takes away the larva.
Wow.
So the whole vector control part is very important, and community needs to know about that as well.
I guess my big learning, Doc, has been that I think the message needs to spread. We need to create awareness, education around this. That could probably become a very, very important strategy for this. I have an idea. Let's do something fun and exciting and spread the awareness. With me?
Yes, let's
Let's
do it.
do.
Yeah.
So, Dr. Bhupendra, ready?
Yes.
Let it be rapid and
Done.
full of fire.
Done.
Let the education begin.
Perfect.
Rip off.
Okay, let's start with question number 1. What's that?
How to identify LF mosquitoes and where can these be found?
Good question. All the drains where water is stagnant, all the places where you find water stagnant, you will find the mosquito larva, and that is the area which is high risk.
Let's proceed.
Yep. Second,
Is LF curable?
unfortunately, no, you can only operate the hydrocele, but lymphedema, no.
Next question.
Sure.
What are few early signs of LF?
Well, acute stage, you have 2 signs. One is like dry cough or the fever with rashes, which is like straight streaks, and chronic is hydrocele lymphedema.
Next one, Doc.
Done.
How can communities reduce mosquito breeding sites?
If they can reduce the stagnation of water around their houses and the areas around them, and then if they can just use mosquito nets, repellents or Gambusia fish in those areas, they can save themselves.
Super. I'll help you with the next one.
Yeah.
How do climate and environment influence the spread of LF?
So if the rains are happening more frequently in an area and the water is getting stagnated, there is a high risk of mosquito breeding and the disease can spread further.
Next one.
Yes.
I don't have LF. Should I still consume preventive medicines, Doc?
If you are living in an LF endemic geography, if others are having the disease, to prevent yourself, you should definitely have the drugs till the time elimination happens.
Means I need to have.
Yes.
Are there any side effects of consuming filaria preventing medications?
There are no side effects as such, but yeah, if you're taking empty stomach, you may have some acidity. And people who are having filariasis, the macrofilaria, they do have some itching at times. Beyond that, it's perfectly safe.
Largely safe.
Yes.
Thank you, Doc. You are rapid and full of fire.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Bhupendra. This has been fascinating, educative. Trust me, when I came here, I knew nothing about LF, but I'm going back educated, and I hope we can create a lot more awareness. Once again, Dr. Bhupendra, thank you. Thank you for everything. Really appreciate it.
Oh, wait a minute, Prashant. Please have a seat. You cannot go away without the medicines because you are in a LF endemic geography.
Uh-huh.
So, may I offer you some preventive medicines to save yourself first?
Is it?
Yes.
Wow.
This is albendazole to be consumed by chewing, and this is the DEC one which is taken by water.
Wow. Let's do it. Thank you
Yes.
for saving me.
You are most welcome.
And this I have to chew.
Chew, yeah.
Like a lozenge.
Yes.
It's tasty.
Yes, it is. And
Thank
so-
you once again, Dr. Bhupendra. Really appreciate it, and thanks for saving my life.
Thank you so much, Prashant. It was a pleasure meeting you, and I hope the community understands this problem and tries to take these medicines on time. Thank you so much for your help for us. Awareness है, right?
Filaria se fight.